us a like. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along. There's where the road where you turn in at. You're going to come down in here, and you're going to come down here. Again, just like every other Thousand Trails or RV park. Don't park in that lane to check in. You park over here to check in, because that's got the keypad that everybody who's already here that wants to go by checks in. We've been blocked in by a few RVs already at this one. So when you come in, park to the right gate so people can still go by and get in and out as they would like. And come to this side so you do not block the exit right there. See, this guy's gonna come in and he just wants to come right in there and do his keypad, and the gates will open and he'll go in. There they go. So if you're checking in, it's going to take you a little bit. You pull over to this side so people can still go around. After you come in here, we're going to go to the left first because these have the sewer sites. And down on the left side here, not these ones yet, but the sites do have sewer. Not all the park does. It's just about 50-50, I think. Pull in here and look at this. Got a putter and a couple balls, and I kept saying I was going to come play, but that doesn't look like that's going to happen before we get out of here. Doing all the work that I did on the water pump and all that kind of stuff, and April and her surgery and everything else that we've had going on. Upkeep it well. A lot of times you go to places it's just little bricks or so and they're broken away from everywhere around the edges. I bet you that's filled with water when COVID's not going. Why pump it now? And you know, they're kind of in a water shortage. Big. They have these little trees everywhere too, and they're labeled what they are and when they bloom or when they produce fruit, which I think is pretty cool. More of those cute little apple trees and cherry trees. Like I was saying, they got the trash cans, no dumpsters, but trash cans placed everywhere here, which is nice. And they empty them all the time. I think twice a day I've seen them doing it. But as you can see, not all the spots are absolutely, I mean, that's a big spot still. And this one's a permanent, but that's still a huge spot. Not all the spots are tremendously huge here, but there are your fair share of big ones, and this might have the biggest spots out of anywhere I've seen. And there's a few huge ones like we're at over in the non-sewer, but there's still some big ones over here, because right here is about where you start to get to the sewer sites, I believe. They got horseshoes. And this is the dog park. It's not very big for a dog park, but it does the job. There are some good spots in there, but that is one heck of a hill. You can see all the scrapes. That's probably why there's not a lot of people up in there. You'd have to have a pretty small rig to get up there. But this guy's arrow street is cool, huh? Every site you're gonna see over here is sewer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick little drive through so you can see the size and all that of them. And then we'll go over to where there's not sewer, and I'll let you know when that is. Yeah, right here's got about everything you need, and you are only, I know because we had to go towards the San Diego airport a few times to pick up and drop off April and stuff, but it is only 44 minutes or so from the San Diego airport, and we are an hour, but only 44 miles away from the sculptures over here, Meadows sculptures. We went and seen those, and I have a video coming to those too, so pretty cool. There's a lot around here, and you're up in the mountains, and it's just beautiful. Look at this. Come over here. Now this only has 2 restrooms. This one has a shower, a stall, and actually 2 stalls. And that is all it's got here. And the laundry room is here. This is the side with the sewer still. And as of right now, this is the only one that's open for the men. But, like I said, the other one's getting fully remodeled. But this one's not even bad. Tiles aren't all cracked up. The paint's decent in here. The showers, decent enough, huh? Decent enough. Yeah, they've got a nice tile on the floor. Stalls are clean, everything's pretty clean. It's well heated for those cold mornings or nights. But that's not bad at all. And then if you came to this side, you'd walk around and you would have the laundry room. But like I said, due to the water shortage, they're temporarily closed. Oh, it's open. Let's just click that. Looks like 4 washers, 4 dryers. I don't know how much they are. They are coin. But yeah, so it's got a decent little laundry room, showers, but like I said, the other side doesn't have any laundry, and they're remodeling it. They've been there working on it, so hopefully that'll get done, and they'll have more showers. I guess they do offer Wi-Fi here. I do need to mention this is its own little road, and they ask that no big RVs come through there because it is tight, and you probably wouldn't want to come off that lip anyways. But I love that guy's RV. Look at that, that's cool, huh? Got a big old bus right there. The speed limit is 5, guys. 5 miles an hour. All right, that's their sewer sites. So I'm gonna go ahead and come up here and drive you through. These are gonna be all their non-sewer sites. There's a couple little roads, so bear with me. I'll be able to show you. That is the road we came in on. No need to show you that one again. There is another little way up and around this, so we're gonna go that way so you can see some new stuff. So here's where you came in and we came in and went this way. That's the way out, and we're gonna head this way because straight ahead's the lodge. This is where the main section is for the sites without sewer, is right over here. Look at all, these are more of those little trees right there. Saying were planted, all those signs. Pretty cool, I think. We used to be right there until we moved, and these ones over here are just 10. We'll go down here and check out the lodge. This is a steep hill too. As you can see, everybody scrapes right there. I scrape right there coming around and up it. All right, look at this. So it looks like clear over there is a hot tub, and that's a little kiddie pool, and it's 1 foot 6 inches. And this is 3.5 feet deep, so it's not very deep. Oh, that side's 4 feet. Not very deep. But they got a little pool, and it's a nice area with some beautiful trees and sunsets right here. Another thing I should say about this place is phone service. My T-Mobile phone gets no service at all here, none. But our Verizon hotspot, we have completely full bars, so our Wi-Fi is rocks here. So if you have your Wi-Fi hotspot, Verizon works well, and I read that AT&T works just as well too. So guys, Actually, it's nice because it just, since it's not on an exit or a main loop or anything, it's down here by the storage. You just come around the loop here. And it don't matter what size of RV you got. You come around right here. And you got your dump station. Now they only have one, but I've actually never seen anybody here. We did come use it, but I've seen nobody here. We thought about taking this site here. Nobody's been to this site since we've been here, but it is beautiful with trees, and it's a pretty good sized site. Now, let's head through the main little section of non-sewer sites here. Look at that cool international truck. Love it. Alright, we're about to pull into our site. And like I said, wait till you see how long our driveway is and how big it is there too. Even up that little road. Up that little road in front of us right there. And behind us. Those aren't roads. They're all part of my site. Plot back here is huge, and look how long your own driveway is. There's that restroom. Well house. I did not know that was a spot. That was a spot. That is a cool little RV spot because you'd be pretty private over there. These, I haven't been down in here either, so I didn't know these were here. But this is your tent spot. They're pretty nice. And on this side, you got cabins. Let's go up here to the lodge, huh? Check this one out. Now, due to COVID, San Diego area, it is all shut down right now, but we'll get out here and take a look and walk around. This is the cute little lodge they got. Let's go over here and see what this thing looks like, at least around the outside or so, huh? That looks like the store. Everything's closed, but go down to look over here. Now these little birdhouses they got around. That's pretty cute, huh? I like the rock kind of one. Oh yeah. See, they do a nice job of keeping it all trimmed back and maintained. Even when it's not being used, they seem to do a good job here and hold a lot of pride in their campground. We got some nice seating out here. Oh, it's just the other back side. So there's their rules and everything like that. So it doesn't look like they have pool tables or anything like that, which is always a plus for me, but that's all right. Down here behind the lodge, this area, we walk down the bottom trail here. Nice basketball court with troublemakers. I gotta say, this park does a good job at keeping it picked up and tidy. You see them watering the little trees that they got that I'll show and everything else. And the staff's been super friendly and super nice. It's been a good bunch of people so far. Very pleased and happy with it.